De spits uit Letland maakt het hem in de eerste seizoenshelte populair. Met zijn speelstijl en met zijn doelpunten. Zoals een belangrijke tegen Willem II.
Uldrikis scoort en Cambuur staat in Tilburg op voorsprong.
En een goal in de Frieske derby, die telt voor Zelzek.
Die wordt verlengd en gaat hij er ook in. Uldrikis en is het 1-1.
We nemen Roberts Uldrikis mee en laten hem een paar bekende plakken van jou het zien.
Recognize this?
Nope. Maybe after season. Maybe after season.
Hebben we in ons stad een heleboel kroegen. Dat ik gewoon zo groeit, daar heb je niet om vroeg.
Roberts, dit is de Nieuwstad. Do you know that place?
Yes, this one I know quite good because I have been here many times to the shops that are here, to the nice terraces that are here. So I know quite a few places of this street. I could say that it's very similar to the old Riga, old city center, because we also have the same street with the big rocks, and the buildings are also a little bit similar style, like these ancient, a little bit smaller houses and things like that. Of course, we don't have so many canals and bicycles, but the idea is pretty similar. So, yeah, it feels a little bit like home. It was very hard for me to watch the games from the stadium seats, with the fans, or at the home on the TV or something like this. It's not what I want to do and not why I came here at the first place. I want to be always on the pitch, always help my team and do the best that I can. And it was a difficult time for me, but I hope that it's now gone. And it was good, not good, but valuable experience for me. And yeah, I hope that I will be back on Sunday. My first dream was to play for my national team and score a goal. So that one I already did. That was I think my biggest dream. Because I'm very patriotic and I think it's a big honor that you can wear your national team shirt, and to play for your country and hear your national anthem before the game. I cherish these moments a lot, and that was my dream since childhood.
Also, a thing in close to your country is the war between Russia and Ukraine. How is it for you to experience that there is a war close to your country?
When it started, I was really very, very sad because and shocked also, because I thought that I will never experience something like this in my lifetime. I thought that this is only in the movies or in the stories of my grandparents. My grandmother was also sent to Siberia when she was 3 years old with her family, and it was crazy, and I thought that this will be only stories and movies, but then I saw that Russia made this attack, and it's very sad that the many Russian people in Russia believe that it's a good thing what they are doing, with the propaganda and all of this, and it's very, very important also in us in Latvia, because we have also Russian people who speak Russian and they listen to the news, so it's we have to manage the situation very carefully, so it doesn't escalate in our country also the same, so it's difficult. Yeah.
In ons stadje een hele scheve toren, een armoedig gezicht, maar het schijnt zo te horen.
Do you know the name of this tower?
Why did you? What was the name? I think it's called Oldehoven, if I'm right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have been in this place, and it's the Pisa Tower maybe of Leeuwarden. So it's very, very interesting structural building for me.
Do you also know that this is a famous place, an important place also for a Cambuur fan and a Cambuur player?
Yeah, I have heard that after good seasons that here's a big party with our beautiful supporters from our great city. it's good. It's nice. Now I can imagine that. So it's good. I hope that I will also live this feeling that was in 2013 that I will feel in 2022 in the May. I hope so.
Now you can understand that this is an important place for.
Yeah. I knew that it's very historical building and historical square, but now I also understand that it means a lot to the people of our club. The plan is to make good last games of the championship, and me personally also for myself, and more important for the team, so we can go to maybe to the top 8, and have 2 extra games for the European playoffs. That would be very nice.
Scoren tjen NEC. Uldrikis weet dus hoe dat mat. En dus zal de hoop van de Ljouwte fans snijn weer op hem rug te wijzen.
Als die Leeuwarden geboren bist, kast het wel schudden.